guys, Aviation Channel here, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. So today we're gonna do a free unboxing. So we're gonna do an Emirates 777, Malaysia 747, and this is Jetstar A320. So let's take a look at the small box first. Let's take a look at the design. So yeah, now looking at the design, it says aircraft model. We got a picture of the A380 taking off, and we got a nice background. Here it just says aircraft model, and it just shows a bunch of clouds and an A380 in the distance. Now this is probably one of my favorite box designs since it just looks so cool looking. So at the top it says aircraft model. This side we got a bunch of pixelated, I don't know, maybe clouds, but I'm not too sure. And then in the other side it shows some clouds, and at the back of the box it says aircraft model with a picture of an A380. Okay, well, I guess it's time to get with the unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing the Emirates 777 first. There you go. It's nicely, it's also a little bit heavy. Let me just try and break off the, there we go. There you go. It also comes with a clear stand. I'm not trying to break the wheels. Alright, so here we got the model. It's made out of plastic. It also has rollable wheels. I'm not really a huge fan of rollable wheels, to be honest, especially at this scale, since it will be a little bit fragile. But yeah, let me just put this away. I'm just gonna put this away, and here we got the model. So yeah, I'm also gonna add on the stand here. As you can see, it's also nicely packed. And don't worry, I will remove all of this when we're gonna take a close-up view. I really think this model looks quite nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on the ground, and later I'll just pick it up. There you go. Let me just adjust my tripod here. Now let's take a look at the Jetstar. I also think it looks quite nice. Oh, the stand. Oh, it's ups. No. There we go. Got the Jetstar here with no wheels. I'm just gonna add on the stand over here. Just adjusting my tripod. And here we got the model nicely set. And now we got the final one, and also the big boy. We got the Malaysia Airlines. It has the same box design of the Emirates. And yeah, I think it's a little bit too big. And let me just put it off of the... Here you go. There you go. So yep, I'm just gonna leave this on the side and here we got the model. Looks very nice. Now we got the stand. We got the stand that I'll be trying to. There we go. And now it's time to just put it in. There you go. So yeah, adding the stand right now. Oops. And here we got all three of the models sitting very nicely. So yeah, now let's review all of these models. So starting off with the Emirates 777-300ER. We're gonna start off with the front, where we got the cockpit windows and the window wipers. We also got the front landing gear, which is very nice. We also got the Emirates branding and in Arabic, and we also got a lot of sensors. And then let's take a look at the wings. We got the flaps, slats, and spoilers carved out very nicely. So yeah, the doors are also quite alright. We also, when we go a little bit back, we can also see the vertical stabilizer, which is nice. We also got the registration, and we also got a little bit of detailing around the horizontal stabilizer. Now let's take a look at the bottom. We got the writing of Emirates. We also got the main landing gear, which looks very nice. And the engines themselves, I think they're quite good. I would recommend maybe making them a little bit more bigger and maybe a little bit more longer, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Now we're gonna review the Giant. Over here, we're gonna review the Malaysia Airlines. I cannot get it on camera. Let me just adjust my tripod. And the front of the aircraft, we only got the cockpit windows. Then when we look at the front of the aircraft, we have the flag of Malaysia. We got the reds. We also got the amazing livery. We also got Malaysia branding. We also got an experience redefined, I believe. And now let's take a look at the wings. The wings is very it's alright. We only got the flaps, slats, and spoilers carved out, and that's it. At the back of the aircraft, we got the registration. We also got the lines of the livery. We also got the flowers and red dots everywhere. We also got the Malaysia logo on the tail. We don't get any APU exhaust, and that is a bit disappointing, but that's okay. The landing gear is very nice, although it is very fragile. Although it is, it's not that fragile, but I don't like the concept of rolling wheels on like very small aircraft. The main landing gear is also very nice. Let's take a closer look at that. If we can pop it out of the stand. It's a little bit difficult. there you go. It's very nice, and also it's rollable, so you can roll them. We also got the red underbelly and the stand hole. So yep, that is really it of this model. And now let's take a look at the last one, the Jetstar A320. Now there you go. And yeah, the smallest model that I unboxed in this video, and also the one without any landing gear, but is it any good? And we start off with the front of the aircraft, where we got the cockpit windows, and that's it. We also we have the door, and then we have the jetstar.com branding. We also got all day every day low fares, which is the company's slogan, I believe. Then going back, we also got the nicely detailed, not really that detailed, but the emergency exits. Now let's take a look at the wings. Got the flaps, slats, and spoilers carved out very nicely, and that's it. If we take a closer look at the wingtips, I think that also looks pretty good. And now we also got the Airbus A320, which is the type of aircraft. We also got the registration. We also got the Jetstar branding. And we also got a little bit detailing around the horizontal stabilizer, and also a little bit on the vertical stabilizer with the rudder carved out nicely. Now let's take a look at the underside. We only got the orange belly and the stand hole. It doesn't ruin any printed detail, but yeah, it doesn't ruin any printed detail, but I mean, I do like my models on the stand, so I don't know why I'm talking about that. And yeah, we finished reviewing all of the aircraft models. Now let me just adjust them a bit, and yeah, I think it's pretty nice. The Emirates and the Malaysia does have is very nice, although the engines are a bit basic, but I would say that it's recommended if you're trying to just look for any type of model. Like for example, if you're looking for a Jetstar model, and if Gemini Jets, for example, is not available, then you could just have this aircraft model. So they're both kind of like really nice. I really do like the landing gear. They're quite detailed, and I would say yes, I mean, it is recommended. It's recommended if you're a person who just likes to have the physical detail, but I don't mind this aircraft model is very nice to have in your collection. Now that's it. I would say like and subscribe to my channel to see more awesome videos like this. And since I got a tripod, I'll probably be doing time-lapse drawing, which I'll be trying my best to do. Now that's it. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you in the next video. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.